Hello folks, Gary JSF again, and today I'm further to my partnership with Wolfang cameras. They've asked me to look at a projector, and I love these things. I have a generic one which I've really enjoyed, but the Wolfang one has got seriously good specification. It's 28,000 lumens, it's 4K native. You have built-in apps on an Android system for Prime Video, YouTube, Netflix, and others, and it just looks like a serious bit of kit. It has autofocus on your screen. It has tombstone adjustment. That's basically where if the screen, if you're pointing at an angle, it puts into like an angle down, so it'll actually compensate for that. So it has every specification as you would want, and especially with 4K. I'm really looking forward to testing this. Although this has been provided by Wolfang to review, I have there is absolutely no script for me to go to, absolutely nothing that I actually have to stick to. So everything's going to be my own thoughts. Now the price of this thing, I've seen it on Amazon. Amazon, I think, is their partner for sales, and it's $184.99, but at this present time there's a big discount that brings it down to just under £150. With that specification, that is a really cheap projector. So I'll get it unboxed and let you see it. Because it's a slightly bigger box, I'm going to have to get onto my hands and knees, or I'm going to have to get creative about where I'm going to unbox it to let you see what's in the box, and then we'll get to testing it. So I'll have to wait. It's a bit darker, but it will. I'm sure it will show on daylight, but I'll maybe even show you that as well. But let's cut to the unboxing. Right, let's proceed to the unboxing. I'll zoom in on the box now and let you see that. And we'll see what's actually in the box here. Definitely very well presented, this unit. So let's get it open. First thing you come across is your user manual and your warranty. That's the first bit off. This is actually quite a big unit. Yeah, that's that looks well. Now, cloth on the top where there must be a speaker, and you have operational bits and pieces there. And in here you have your power lead and your remote control. So that's it. Not much to the unboxing. Also included in the box, along with the power lead, is an HDMI lead. Now, that's to have inputs from other devices, but I think that there's enough installed in this that we can use that. Don't forget, you have a little cover over the lens that you need to take off. What a fine looking piece of equipment. It really does. At the back of it, you have 2 HDMI leads, 2 USB slots, what do you call that? An Ethernet input, and headphones, and AV, and infrared. So it's all there. It's definitely well specified, this unit. So I'm looking forward now to getting it checked out. One of the things I would like to do with my projector is put it on a tripod, so it can be manipulated very easy. This one here has a tripod screw, the 1/4" 20mm thread. That's the unit there, that the Wolfang WP04 sitting ready to view. It's sitting there temporarily. I will put a tripod up there and have it sitting permanently fixed, but just temporarily I've put it there, and I suppose this will do for my thumbnail as well. Very good. So well, that's what we're testing. Okay, what I'm going to project onto is this silver screen. Now these are easily picked up on the internet, but you can see this comes folded, and you can see there's lines on it, but it doesn't take away from the picture that much. So we'll get this unit started and see what we think. It's still daylight, so it's not going to be the brightest, but we'll see what it's like. Now that screen's about 80 inches, so that's quite wide enough for the small room that I have here. So here we go. Start it up. Right, at first when I started it previously, it went through I put a pattern up on the screen to get the focus, and that's well focused. It is actually 1080 native, but you can put 4K into it. So let's go. We'll select the language English, and then you have your firmware updates. Now that keystone, you can see where it is. It actually seems okay at the moment, so we'll go with that. Enable Wi-Fi network. And we'll get this set up. You'll not want to watch all this going on, but I'll sort it from there. Now after you put in your password and hit OK, it gives you that connection succeeded. So we're ready to rock and roll. So start Netflix. And we'll get this logged in now. Now in the background you can hear the music from this. And the little unit itself has actually got quite a bit of bass and a bit of volume to it. That's actually quite good. So I'll just sign into this and come back to you. Right, well at this stage you'll use your phone to point at that code or go to that site. So I've got that. And then I have to put in this code. So here we go. Right, after signing in on my phone, it has now accepted that, and that's us ready for using Netflix. Also, we'll have to look at YouTube and Amazon. So we'll go to those, do that. You have on this, you have shortcuts on the remote. So here we go. Go for the Amazon one. Okay, that's us on the Amazon now. So last one, the YouTube that's on the remote control, and we'll get that logged in. Right, and as you can see, I'm just logging in on the phone there to my YouTube channel. So we'll have a look at some of the things here. Let's we'll give it a look over. I might close the blinds just to get a wee bit darker again, but so far so good. That's bright enough. Right, here we go. This is just a motorcycle news video on a Ducati 916, and well, as you can see, enough sound on that output. So fabulous picture. It really is fabulous. That is definitely very good. Also, I will maybe test one of my own videos plugged into the unit itself and see what that looks like. But that is a fabulous picture. Easy enough to set up. Just connect your Wi-Fi, connect your accounts on the buttons, and away you go. That's really good. I must have a little look what the home button does. This is Android powered, so there will be quite a few Android apps. So yeah, there's a browser there for the internet. You've got all your suggestions. That's really good, and the quality is there. It definitely is there. Right, this is a documentary that's on Netflix, and look at that. The quality of this is brilliant. Now, say that it puts out at 1080p, but will take into 4K, and that is absolutely fabulous quality, and that's projecting up to about 75 inches there, and it's not completely dark yet. It really is a fabulous little projector. Definitely doing better than what I thought it would, and it's dead easy to navigate. That connected up straight away. First time, it adjusted itself, which I couldn't believe. It adjusted itself, and then the log into the apps was quite easy. That's the apps themselves, and because of that operates on Android, it then uses the same rules that the Android apps have on your phone and on your tablet and different bits and pieces. So really good. Can't complain about that at all. We'll try something from Prine. Right, and again now on Prime Video, I have a little video of Corfu, an island I've been to lots and lots of times. Lovely place. So the picture's fabulous in this. I have it far exceeds my previous item, and this is inexpensive. This unit is inexpensive. So I thoroughly would recommend it. But let's see. I'll hit the pause, mute. Also, what I will do now is connect it to my Bluetooth speaker and see how that sounds. But there really isn't any great need. There's good quality sound from the unit itself. But I suppose if you want stereo, you maybe need to connect it to a Bluetooth Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth hi-fi or stereo speaker. But we'll try that now as well. When you connect a USB stick or a external hard drive, you need to go and take your home page here, and beside the little the settings icon at the top there, you've got this one for input. So you go to that. Now you've got composite, USB, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and I'm looking for the USB. So that's maxed out at disk. Okay, let's see, we'll come down to the dash cam videos there. There you go, and hit play on that. So there you go. That's a dashcam video playing from the little portable hard disk, and really quite good. You'll hear there's sound going on that, but I just switched it off. But no, really very, very good. So anything I can watch my own videos off from the hard disk and the little yeah, so like I can watch it from the dashcam videos here, and other videos from a USB stick or a hard drive, a portable hard drive. Really, really good. Okay, now that's the Fire Stick connected, and again you've got all the different options here. Again, now watching the Fire Stick, I can go into this Corfu thing that we have been watching. Right, there you go. So the Fire Stick itself is quite a bit slower than the projector itself. So so I'll just switch that off. But really, really good. Very flexible piece of equipment when you can use your Fire Stick through it as well. So okay, to connect it to Bluetooth, basically what you do is go onto your home screen and then go across to that little setting at the top right hand corner with a little cog in it. Gives you your settings, and then come down to Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth connection on, scan. Now I need to do that with my stereo as well, so there you go. It's come up that LG LK72. So that's it, pairing and connected. That's simple as that. So let's go back to a video. We'll go to one of my videos then. Now there's the music coming out through that other hi-fi. Although you're not going to hear any difference yourself, I can tell you there's a lot more bass, but there is enough on the unit itself. This is just Bangor and County Down, just a drone shot, just to let you see the video, see what you think of it. But I'm seriously impressed with this unit. So Bluetooth is working great. This is as I call it, my studio where I do all my video editing, and with this in this I may not leave the room too often. I can sit and watch my favourite shows and watch live TV. That's fabulous. So we'll have a look now at, we'll go back to the ordinary speaker, so I'll switch that off, the Bluetooth. That's back to the other speaker. And that's good enough quality too. That's very listenable, especially in this smallish room. Well, folks, that's the Wolfang WP04 projector, and it's a seriously quality piece of kit. Even from the build quality, when you lift it out of the box, to what it produces, you will be seriously impressed. As I say, it's 4K input, and it has 1080p output. And as you can see, that's more than enough for that screen. I would say that's about 75 inches projecting at the moment, and it gives good colours. It gives good brightness, and I say it is still daylight here. It's still, I've only got a little shade over the window, and it's coming up with that quality. Absolutely stunning. So I'm well impressed. Thanks to Wolfang for sending me this to evaluate. I was really impressed. They haven't asked me to say anything about it. Everything's my own thoughts, and I'm definitely looking forward to using this more and more of this, and especially when it's simple that I don't even have to use an external speaker. The speaker is actually good enough in it. Yeah, if I was wanting to watch a movie, I would probably put on my other speakers, yes, but for normal daily use, there's plenty of bass, plenty of sound out of the unit itself. So, would I recommend it? Oh yes, yes indeed. That I really would recommend this to anyone, and it is good value. At time of recording, this is coming in at around about just under £150, and so what a great piece of equipment for that sort of money. You project it onto a white wall or a silver screen like I'm using there, but you'll not be disappointed. That's fabulous quality, and to have a home projector system for that sort of money is really good. Attach it to a Bluetooth speaker system, and you have good cinema sound, big picture, everything that you would like on it, and good everyday speaker in the unit itself. Thanks to Wolfang for sending me this. It's something that I would be well impressed with the purchase when I would, and they haven't asked me to say anything about it. I had no script. It's just everything's my own thoughts, and would I recommend it? Yes, I certainly would, and you know, I'm looking forward to using this unit more and more. Really good piece of equipment. But for now, folks, this is Gary GSF, thanking you for watching this video. If you've liked it, please hit a like. It's always much appreciated. If you really like it and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button, and maybe even the bell notifications to be notified when I put videos up. But most of all, thanks for watching this one. This is Gary GSF signing off, and bye for now.